Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to create a chain required job in Jenkins. Jenkins is a famous server-based automation tool that is used to execute continuous integration pipelines. Jenkins Build Pipelines can be further configured for continuous delivery by utilizing pipeline plugin in both declarative and scripted DSLs. First, start the Jenkins using systemctl command. Now check the status of Jenkins. The Jenkins is active. Now check the IP address of the system. IP address is 6.122. Let's go to the browser. Search your system IP address with the port number of Jenkins 8080. This is the default port of Jenkins. Now log in Jenkins. This is the process of chain required job. First we need to build, deploy, test, then release. So that first we need to create the 4 projects in Jenkins. Let's move to the Jenkins console. First we need to create the project for build. Very first we need to click here, new item, give the name sample build, click freestyle project, enter OK. Description, build test, scroll down, go to the build, here press execute shell. Here just print some message by using echo command. Now apply, then save. Now again go to the dashboard. Now we need to create the second project by the name of deploy. Click in new item, name sample deploy, click freestyle project, press OK, deploy test, go to the build section, select execute shell, echo, this is the message the project need to print. Apply, then save. Now create the third project, test. So go to the dashboard, press OK, go to the build, select execute shell, print the message, play, then save. Then now we're going to create the final project, release. Go to the dashboard, click new item, sample. Okay, apply, then save. Now go to the dashboard. This is the project which we created there. First project built, second project deploy, third test, final is release. In this process, deployment depending on build, test depending on deploy, release deploying on test. We need to link this together. Now we can link this one in Jenkins, so that we need to go deploy, configure. The first job is build. When we execute the build, the next the deploy need to be execute, then test need to execute, then release need to execute, so that we need to configure. So go to the build trigger. Here mention built after other project. Here we need to mention build sample build. When we execute build, it will be execute next job, apply. Now go to the dashboard. The third project is test. Now configure test. Go to the build trigger. Click build after other project. Before this, the project deploy need to execute. Click this one, apply, save. Again go to dashboard. This is release, configure. Before release, the test project need to be execute. Go to the build trigger. Here mention test, apply, save. Now go to the dashboard. When we can execute the first project build, it will automatically execute the project deploy. After this one executed, they will automatically execute a test. After that, they execute release, so that we open this in multiple tabs. This is the first project, second project, this is third, then this is fourth. This is the first project. Now click build now. Here you can see the build history. This project run successfully. Now see here, this one also executed. Now go to test. Now this one also executed. Now go to release. This is now in binding. This one also now executed. To see output of this, click here, console output. This is the message. The build is successfully completed. The build is success, triggering a new build job of sample deploy. Go to the deploy. Here check the status. Console output. Here triggering a new build of sample test. This project executing the sample test. The status is successful. See here. console output. The status is success. Then triggering a new build of sample release. Go here, click this, see the status of build successful. The message is successfully released. This is the process of chain record job. By this, the chain record job process in Jenkins is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.